Wasn't from New York, he wasn't hip hop. We just went to New York and said we was from Jersey and got booed. It was like one big Apollo in New York. Anybody outside, boo, 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 Sam.
And we thought we was it too, because we was winning all the
No, we
competitions
knew
in
we
Jersey.
was. We just
knew we was it. They booked us in New York. Man, we went over there. They sent us back. Man.
But we did do the Apollo one time without even saying Jersey, and we
killed it.
and did our thizzle.
Oh, man.
Tell that.
We killed that.
Tell that. At the Apollo, boo capital. We ain't get booed there. We ain't get booed
We
there.
killed that one.
Was the music stylistically different? Like, could you tell or something that was, Jersey versus New York, obviously versus LA? Was there distinct flavors?
No, just by saying Jersey.
It's all you need to say.
It was just Jersey.
It's over for you. They gonna ride for you till you say Jersey.
They're still like that a little bit.
No. We fixed that.
Nah, Jersey deep now. We deep.
Oh, we fixed
And we
that.
traveling deep too.
93,